QN Plus Nagel Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume logistics companies just move packages, but QN Plus Nagel is a global powerhouse that handles complex supply chain solutions. QN Plus Nagel specializes in sea freight, air freight, contract logistics, and overland transportation. One standout feature is their global network. They operate in over 100 countries, making them reliable for international shipping and supply chain management. Most people assume logistics is just about shipping. The surprising truth is QN Plus Nagel offers integrated services, including customs clearance, warehousing, and real-time shipment tracking. Businesses can monitor their goods from departure to arrival, reducing delays and risk. Another advantage is their specialized services. For example, they offer temperature-controlled shipping for pharmaceuticals, perishables, and other sensitive goods. This makes them ideal for companies that require high-quality, secure, and compliant transport. However, as a large international provider, QN Plus Nagel can be more expensive than regional operators. Also, smaller clients may find the setup process and documentation complex due to global compliance requirements. In conclusion, QN Plus Nagel is a top-tier choice for businesses needing reliable, end-to-end logistics solutions, especially for international and specialized shipping. Subscribe for more honest reviews of logistics companies and supply chain services.